All right, guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and even make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new smart lock. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. So let's go and actually check it out. So this one, unlock up to 10,000 times. It's waterproof and it has a standby time of up to 12 months. So let's go and actually check it out. All right, so you got the lock right here. It's heavy duty. Check it out. That's cool. You got the user manual for it right here. It's got the charging cable for it right here, which you will hook up right down here. There it is. It is a micro USB. So like I said, they do provide you with it right there, as well as is emergency key. So let's go ahead and actually set it up. So it says to unlock with one of the admin fingerprints, keep your finger in the place until the light flashes blue. So let's see. I'm just gonna put my finger right here. All right. Press the finger you wish to register on the sensor 6 times on the green until the green light comes on. So let's see. All right, seems like it took the fingerprint. Let's see. All right, now it's flashing green, letting you know that it is good to go and it has been recorded. So let's go and actually test it out. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and try it out. We're gonna go ahead and put it right on here. And we're gonna lock it up. There it is. So it's also supposed to be designed to be waterproof. So we're gonna go ahead and throw some water on it and then try to unlock it. All right, now let's go ahead and actually try to unlock it. There we go. Just had to dry out that little area right there, but open right up. So we can go ahead and lock this back up. So, all right, so as you can see, all you have to do was just dry it right here a little bit, and then it's good to go again. And we're able to, place it where we need, just like so. Seal it back up. As you can see, like I said, it is weather resistant, so it doesn't matter if dust, water, anything, it'll still be good to go. There we go. Cool. So not too bad. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new lock, definitely consider this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all could get yours.